Hey, what's up guys? In today's video guys, I'm actually unboxing my all-new iPhone 13 Pro model. I wonder guys what color it is. I'm gonna go ahead now and unbox the actual iPhone. Apparently, I no longer need a knife as there is now a pull tab here I find. So go ahead now and just pull it off. There we are, it opens up. Let's go ahead now and open this flap. And there you go. The phone just falls down. Wonderful. Let's take it out of the packaging. And wow, that's the color guys of my iPhone 13 Pro. It's gold. I got the gold this year. Alright, so to actually start to unbox it, there's these two pull tabs here. So let's begin pulling. One done. I'm so very excited to see what's inside this box exactly. And there it is, there you have it. My all new iPhone 13 Pro in gold, 128GB model. Just look at that guy, solid gold. It's like a gold brick. Put off to the side. Let's go ahead now and inspect what's in the box. Got some manuals here. Apparently it's a SIM card removal tool. Wonderful. Then you have the actual manuals, more warranty information, and one single white Apple sticker. Absolutely wonderful guys. Okay, we'll put that back. Next up we have the single lightning to USB-C cable itself from Apple. But again this year there's no actual USB-C charging cube adapter, no. So here's the phone guys. You simply pull up on this tab to reveal the screen. That's so satisfying guys. Alright, I'll proceed now to go ahead and turn it on. And there it is, it's coming. And there it is, says hello, wonderful. You proceed now to set it up, English, country. It later on wants your Wi-Fi information. Now it's saying it may take a few minutes to activate my phone. Wonderful. Alright guys, so it activated now. It's saying data and privacy. Okay, then Face ID, passcode options, apps and data, Apple ID, terms and conditions. Agree. iMessage and FaceTime, not now. Location services, enable. Siri, set up later in settings. Screen time, go ahead and continue. Share iPhone analytics, no. Appearance, light. Display zoom, standard. Welcome to iPhone, that's right guys. Swipe up to continue. And there it is guys, that's the home screen. Right off the bat, I'm noticing guys that the actual notch for the Face ID and camera is actually 20% smaller, and it's quite noticeable. I love that now. There's much more screen up there, and also at the back, you see the actual back camera section. It's pretty much taking up the entire back area of the whole phone. Yeah, it's pretty much like more than half of the area, and therefore that's why the iPhone 12's case actually would not fit on this iPhone 13, because the whole back camera section is quite larger than before. And there's a good reason for that. They've included the iPhone 12 Pro Max camera system into this phone as well. That makes the actual camera move and shake while you move and shake during your walks or runs or bikes, to create the camera to stabilize your video and possibly even your photo a bit better than before. So there you guys have it. Please guys, show me a huge like on this video, share, comment, and subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys on an upcoming iPhone 13 Pro video.